Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Welcome to the Python course in Bangladesh tutorial. In this guide, we will cover the basics of Python programming language, its applications and resources available for learning Python in Bangladesh. Python is a high-level, interpreted programming language known for its simplicity and readability. It is widely used in various domains including web development, data analysis, machine learning, artificial intelligence, scientific computing, and automation. In Bangladesh, there are various platforms and institutions offering Python courses both online and offline. Some popular options include: when selecting a Python course, look for a structured learning path that covers the fundamentals as well as advanced topics. A good Python course should include: practice is crucial for mastering Python programming. Look for courses that offer hands-on exercises, coding challenges, and projects to reinforce learning. Additionally, consider working on personal projects or contributing to open-source projects to apply your skills in real-world scenarios. Let's look at a simple Python code example that calculates the factorial of a number using recursion. In this code, learning Python can open up a world of opportunities for individuals interested in programming and technology. In Bangladesh, there are numerous resources and courses available for learning Python, catering to learners of all levels and backgrounds. By following a structured learning path, practicing regularly, and working on projects, you can become proficient in Python and leverage its power for various applications. Happy coding! Snake Sparkles. ChatGPT.